How to turn Facebook account into business page. Let's get right into the video. First thing you're gonna have to do is open up your Facebook app. So just tap on it to open up the app. And you're gonna have to make sure that your app is up to date in order to continue with this process. Now, once you have done that, on the top right corner, you'll find the three lines icon or the menu icon. Simply head over there. And once you land on your menu page, you'll be able to see your profile picture and your profile name. Go ahead and tap on either one of them. And once you land on your profile page, as you can see, all of your timeline will be shown right here. And right on top, you'll have an option that says Edit Profile. Simply go ahead and tap on the three lines right besides that button, and your profile settings will open up here. On your profile settings, right at the bottom where you find search, and right below that, you'll find professional mode. So what you're gonna have to do is turn on professional mode. Tap on it. What it will do is you can get paid for your content. You can see your content's insight, grow your audience, and be discovered with tagging. Simply tap on this turn on option. And once you have done that, you're gonna have to change your audiences, learn about monetization tools, explore professional tools, and then you're done. So keep tapping next. And right here, you can choose your default audience. So you could choose what you want to set your audience as. Public is suggested in order to turn it to your business account. Tap on next and then confirm your settings. And then you can see about monetization tools here as well. Keep tapping next and you are good to go. So once you have done all of this, you can head over to your professional dashboard and you're good to go. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.